Stephen R. Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a transformative self-help book that provides a principle-centered approach to personal and professional effectiveness. It emphasizes character development, long-term goals, and interpersonal relationships, outlining 7 habits designed to foster productivity, balance, and fulfillment. Covey divides these habits into 3 categories: personal victory, public victory, and continuous renewal. The 7 habits and their core principles. Be proactive. The first habit encourages taking responsibility for your life and actions. Being proactive means focusing on what you can control rather than reacting to external circumstances. Covey introduces the circle of influence and circle of concern concepts, urging individuals to channel energy into areas they can influence while letting go of uncontrollable factors. Begin with the end in mind. Covey emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision of your goals and values. This habit involves defining what matters most in life and aligning daily actions with long-term objectives. By creating a personal mission statement, individuals can prioritize meaningful pursuits and avoid distractions. Put first things first. This habit focuses on time management and prioritization. Covey introduces the time management matrix, which categorizes tasks by urgency and importance. Effective individuals prioritize quadrant 2 activities, important but not urgent, such as planning, relationship building, and self-improvement to achieve their goals while avoiding burnout. Think win-win. In relationships, the win-win mindset seeks mutually beneficial outcomes. Covey argues that effective collaboration stems from valuing fairness, empathy, and shared success. Win-win thinking requires a balance of courage and consideration, fostering trust and positive interactions. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. This habit highlights the importance of empathetic communication. Covey advises actively listening to others without judgment or interruption, striving to understand their perspectives before expressing your own. This approach builds trust and strengthens relationships. Synergize. Synergy involves leveraging differences and working collaboratively to achieve results greater than the sum of individual contributions. Covey argues that embracing diverse perspectives and skills fosters creativity, innovation, and stronger solutions. Sharpen the saw. The final habit focuses on self-renewal and continuous improvement. Covey encourages investing in 4 dimensions of well-being: physical, exercise, rest; mental, learning, reflection; social, emotional, relationships; and spiritual, purpose, values. By maintaining balance, individuals can sustain effectiveness over the long term. Key takeaways. Character ethic. Covey prioritizes inner principles such as integrity, responsibility, and fairness over superficial traits or quick fixes. Interdependence, personal effectiveness, habits 1 to 3, lays the foundation for public success. Habits 4 to 6, fostering interdependence, a healthy balance of independence and collaboration. Continuous growth. Effectiveness requires ongoing self-renewal. Habit 7, ensuring adaptability and resilience. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People provides a timeless framework for personal and professional growth, empowering readers to align actions with values, nurture relationships, and achieve lasting success.